Now let's take a look outside. Our Storm Cam 9 camera there from CHI Memorial. You can see traffic there in the foreground and then the nice mountains in the background. David, much cooler when we walked out this morning.
Yeah, temperatures for most down to the 40s, and the same thing again tomorrow morning. And that view you just saw on the sky cam by this time tomorrow could have some showers for a change. How about that? We're at 70 right now. That northerly breeze, the reason why temperatures are a little lower, but still it's nice and temperatures are above average for this time of year. But again, that all starts changing during the day tomorrow. Temperatures this morning, as I just mentioned, mostly in the 40s, still above average. The average low being 41, though Murphy was down to 39. We're going to see temperatures again tomorrow morning still trending above average, but more in the low to mid 40s. And temperatures right now range from the upper 60s to right around 70. And tomorrow, with clouds, a breeze, and more showers arriving, we're going to be closer to the average high in the low 60s. So tomorrow we'll start feeling like November typically does. And compared to 24 hours ago, we're already trending in that direction. Temperatures running some 2 to 6 degrees lower than they were this time yesterday. So skies are clear now. We are getting a nice dry northeast breeze coming in from the Great Lakes area. That's keeping us dry for now. That's going to start scooting off to the east, and in advance of our next weather maker, which is a very fast mover, is coming in from the Rockies. It's spreading snow. Man, it's cold enough out there, out over the Rockies. That's going to make its way farther off to the east and generate the better chance of rain for us tomorrow. It'll start moving in from the west late day and a really good chance overnight. Tomorrow night with some good soaking downpours that we desperately need. So we go through tomorrow morning, 40s early. You notice the breeze picking up and increasing clouds throughout the day. Once we get toward mid to late afternoon, about the time of picking up the kids from school, that's when some showers start moving in from the west. So be aware of that late afternoon and then especially into the evening hours, more of the scattered showers. They're just going to be very spotty to start with in the evening hours. We go toward late evening and overnight tomorrow night. Here's that solid green. This is after midnight. It's going to be cool, breezy, and some rain throughout the night. Maybe a rumble of thunder, but the risk for anything severe is pretty low. And very early Thursday morning, very wet with a good solid chance of rain. You can add that with some leaves on the streets, making it extra slippery out there. But the best chance of rain Thursday is early. We'll see some late day clearing after midday, and temperatures are high, staying mainly in the 50s. So a very chilly day coming up on Thursday, one of the coolest days of the season so far, but some late day sun is possible. And as far as how much rain we could receive, we're looking at an average of 3/4 inch to around an inch. A few spots could be a little bit higher depending upon where the heavier downpours do occur. This gives you an example of what the heavier downpours could result in. It may not be exactly in those locations, but either way, all areas locally getting the rain that we really need. So tomorrow it starts dry. It's going to be breezy with more clouds, then the rain arriving later in the day, just very scattered to start with. Highs in the low to mid 60s, that wind gusting out of the south. Again, the better solid chance of rain is overnight through the first half of Thursday, and then we'll get some late day sun Thursday. Highs only reaching the upper 50s. This is followed by some beautiful weather and very seasonable weather for the weekend. Friday through Sunday as highs in the 60s and morning lows in the lower 40s.
All right, David, thanks so much.